Hi, ReMar nurses. I'm here to tell you that I am a ReMar graduate. I passed my NCLEX on the 4th of September, and I'm super excited to start my new job in just a couple of weeks. A little bit about me is that I graduated from nursing school back in 2011, and I was unsuccessful taking boards for many, many years. And I gave up a little bit and had kids and didn't really think much about it. And I worked as a CNA for a while and kind of gave up on passing NCLEX. And then after talking with people that I've worked with for many, many years, some that have just, and also some that had just taken next gen NCLEX, they really encouraged me to go back and retake my test. And so I got on the V2 and I did a CAT exam, and I passed the CAT exam, and I was like, wait, maybe I can do this. And so I started studying again. I studied for a month and went in, and I scheduled my NCLEX date, and I said, this will be the date. I will not be changing it. And here I am today, 131 questions later, and I am now an RN. And I am so, so very excited. And I just want to encourage anyone on here who has been unsuccessful with boards or that is getting ready to take boards, just know that with God, all things are possible, honestly. My new mantra is, she knew God could, and so she prayed. And here I am today, and I'm starting my dream job after 13 years being out of nursing school. So it doesn't matter how many times you take it. It doesn't matter if it's your first time or if it's your 9th time like me. As long as you really study and you know your content and you know everything in your quick facts book. I don't have mine with me because I'm loaning it to a friend, but I have all of my notes here. And honestly, this program is such a wonderful program. Do it, get through it, know everything, know your things, know your content, and study, study, study. And again, with God, all things are possible, and you can do it. I promise you.